Hi, first grade families. Just checking in this week. I'm going to be giving phone calls home Thursday and Friday of this week, and I just wanted to check in with families. Each day I've been checking online content as well as things that are being sent my way via photo or on SeeSaw. Currently this week we have 4 out of our 19 students submitting work, which isn't great. I have our first grade website up here. On the front page, we've got links. Each of these pictures is a link to the work that students should be doing each day. Here I explain how to submit work, preferably through SeeSaw, but I don't mind getting videos or pictures through Facebook or Dojo messages or texting me. Like I said, the kids are earning Dojo points each time they complete work, and those names are being submitted on a daily basis to Mrs. Phelps, who puts your name in a drawing for some grocery store gift cards. One of the important things that we talked about this week as a school is that the work that the students are producing while they're at home will count towards their 4th grade marking period grades. So if I'm not seeing any work, that's what I have to put on the report cards come the 4th marking period, because this is part of that marking period. A little different than normal school, but you know, we've got to make it work. So if you are logging into SeeSaw, so I'm going to click on Clever, I'm going to sign in, and Clever, using Clever to get to our pieces of digital content is not going away. SeeSaw is not going away. When we get back to school, that is something that I plan to use for pieces of homework. I'm sure your kids will be using it again next year. This is a program that the teachers absolutely love. It's a great platform and way to share information between home and families. So if you're not on SeeSaw yet, I recommend that downloading the app and finding a way. If you're having trouble, please reach out to me. It's been a great tool for the students that have used it, and I think very highly of the program, and I'm excited to use it. So if you have any questions, as always, reach out to me, and I will be speaking with you later this week. Have a great evening.